Social butterfly.
Social butterfly.
Emma's such a social butterfly. She knows everyone at the party. Bookworm.
Bookworm.
I was a total bookworm as a child. Tough cookie.
Tough cookie.
Don't mess with her, she's a tough cookie. Big mouth.
Big mouth.
I shouldn't have told him, he's a big mouth. Workaholic.
Workaholic.
He's a total workaholic, he even works on weekends. Old soul.
Old soul.
She's only 20 but feels like an old soul. Free spirit.
Free spirit.
She's a free spirit, never tied down. Do-gooder.
Do-gooder.
He's a bit of a do-gooder, always volunteering. Witty.
Witty.
He's so witty, his jokes are smart and hilarious. Peacemaker.
Peacemaker.
Jake is always the peacemaker in our group.